Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting hosting and a domain so your site has a home. Choose a plan that fits traffic expectations. Managed WordPress saves time. Once done, install WordPress with the host's auto-installer or by uploading files, creating a database, and running the installer script. Make sure to set secure admin credentials and pick an initial theme. This gives you a working site to customize. These steps get you from zero to a live WordPress instance ready for content. Once WordPress is live, you customize appearance and functionality so readers engage and pages load fast. You should choose a lightweight theme or create a child theme for safe edits, then adjust typography and layout. Install core plugins, an SEO plugin to index content, caching for speed, security for protection, and backups for recovery. Make home, blog, about, contact pages, and set permalinks to /postname/ for clean URLs. This middle stage shapes performance. You finish by populating and preparing to launch. Build a content plan with pillars, categories, and a realistic publishing schedule so you stay consistent. Create posts with clear headings, optimized images, meta descriptions, and internal links for SEO and readability. Before announcing, test mobile responsiveness, page speed, and contact forms, enable regular backups, and connect analytics to track visitors. If something breaks, a clean backup and disabling recent plugins isolates the issue. Restore backup, then re-enable selectively to troubleshoot efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.